Chevrolet's Traverse, a family-size SUV, has traditionally excelled at navigating suburban roads rather than conquering rugged trails. However, the three-row crossover has undergone a 2024 update focused on enhancing its capabilities. It maintains its position as a spacious choice within the mid-size SUV category, continuing to offer value-oriented road-friendly trims. Nevertheless, the lineup has been expanded to include a more robust aesthetic and an off-road-oriented Z71 variant. While it's not projected to directly challenge the Ford Bronco on challenging terrains, its twin-clutch all-wheel drive system surpasses the capabilities of the Traverse's other versions. Unlike its V6-powered competitors like the Honda Pilot, Hyundai Palisade, and Kia Telluride, the sole engine option is a turbocharged four-cylinder. In addition, Chevrolet has elevated the Traverse's technological features for 2024. Every model is equipped with an expansive touchscreen infotainment display and an array of standard driver assistance features. Notably, GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving mode is now available as an optional feature, potentially giving the Traverse a competitive edge in its rivalry. What's new for 2024? The 2024 Traverse ushers in a new generation, marked by a rugged and refreshed appearance, along with the introduction of the new Z71 off-road trim. The Z71 variant boasts a slightly elevated suspension, a twin-clutch all-wheel drive system, all-terrain tires, and distinctive 18-inch wheels. The sporty-looking RS trim takes the place of the Premier and High Country models as this year's range topper, showcasing 22-inch wheels, a more athletic suspension tuning, and sleek black exterior accents. The base LS and mid-range LT trims retain their positions, and all Traverse models share the same 315 horsepower 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The debut of the new Traverse is anticipated in early 2024. For those with sizable families, the Traverse is well suited for such a task due to its spacious interior. The base LS trim accommodates 8 passengers across its 3 rows, while all other trims feature second-row captain's chairs, reducing capacity to 7 passengers. Visual evidence reveals several substantial storage compartments, including one on the center console positioned ahead of 2 large cup holders, and another beneath the console, accessible from both the driver and passenger sides. With all seats folded down, the Traverse ranks among the most cargo-friendly SUVs in its class, offering over 97 cubic feet of storage space. When the opportunity arises, we will load the Traverse's interior with carry-on suitcases to assess its cargo-holding capabilities.